Okay, what we got going on today, I've already done it because I've never done this before. So this is a Peace Sports AR-50 motorcycle slash scooter, which it's a motorcycle to me. But anyways, so I'm what's going on is I'm updating upgrading the gears, the final drive on this motorcycle. So here's that's the old one. That's the old final drive gears. And this is the new one. And this one. And you have to press these out on this. I use my vise. So this is that's what I got. It's a 17 by 49. So you got a 17 and a 49 tooth final drive gears. This was recommended by another YouTube video I saw, so I'm trying it out. It's supposed to give up to 10 more miles per hour on this setup. So what I did to press it out, if you got a big vise like this guy, I have a 1/4 inch. I mean, you can use whatever you can find around. It's a 13. And then I used my big old 32 socket. So I pressed it out, put that on top, and put this. See, as you can tell, fits just right, fits just nice right there. And I put it in my vise and crank down on that guy, and it eventually started coming out. And then you just flip it around and do the opposite when you put it back in. I'm just making this a short and sweet video. I was trying to figure out, this is a 2020 model, and this is different from the other setups I've seen on YouTube. So this is another reason why I'm making this video. So basically, take your front cover off, wherever I put it. Oh, it's over here. So you take your front cover off. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 8mm. Take that off, then take off your breather right there. It's got like 2 10 mils. Take off this vent hose for the crank. Then this comes off as a part of the bracket. And then when you get that off, preserve your gasket that comes on it. Try not to tear it up. Use a little flathead or something. Just be easy. And it'll come out. Then take this guy off, or this goes on there. Take that off. It's a 14mm bolt or nut, sorry. And that comes off. Where it used to be was this. You take all that off, and then you take a couple bolts off here, and that whole cover comes off. But not on this one. So, like I said, it's not a waste of time because you still gotta get 3 12s. These guys right here, 12. You got one to there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got this whole assembly. You got to take your exhaust off, which is 2 10 mils right there, 10 mil there. Then you got 14 mil brackets, bolts, and then you got a bolt there, bolt there, bolt there. Then this one you only have to touch. And these are your exhaust brackets to take your exhaust off. And then this one for your wheel. Actually, you didn't have to. Oh yeah, you gotta take it off, sorry. So for your wheel, this is a 21mm. And here's part of this bracket. Oh, and you got a nut. So I mean, you got a couple nuts and bolts that you got to take off to take this side off, and then this will come out. So when you take this out, you'll see your gears in there. And that's how it comes out. So don't forget to put this washer back on when you put it back together. That goes on right there. So to get these guys back in, so I put this one. So I'm trying to look, and slides on just like that. And then this doesn't matter which way it goes. It slides on just like that. Done. Got your new final drive gears in. So I'm not going to go through the process, put it back together. I'm just trying to get this done so I can test drive it and stuff. So like I said, it's supposed to add about 10 more miles per hour to it. Be careful with this guy. This is for your starter. This will slide out, so make sure that stays in. I forgot your kickstart. You gotta take that off. That's like another 8mm that comes out. And I forgot where the oil drain part. So I got this from Walmart. Paid like $1 for it. So it's so I can reuse the fluid that came in. So the drain is right there. Make sure you drain it first. I forgot to mention that. And then this is that's your fill. So that's why I got this. So it's got a little tip on there so you can stick in there and fill it. So I'll do a little short video afterwards after I get it back together. Okay, I forgot to mention, you have 3 different size bolts, and these 2 are short ones right there, and then one there. And then this is a long one, long one, long one. So make sure you don't get those mixed up.